I am a complete chatterbox.
What was the favorite recipe you ever made?
What?
What was the favorite recipe you ever made with Chef Maggie?
Pickle.
Pickle. What's your family's favorite thing that you ever brought?
I have no idea.
No.
Mine is dumplings. The chicken pie.
The chicken. Oh, that's a good one. Have you made it at home on your own?
Where is most
Chef
person
Maggie, remember the delicious
Oh,
chicken
wow,
pie?
that's far.
Remember the delicious chicken pie?
Yeah?
Where do we put these?
Right on top. It's our garnish. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Grab a fork so you can try this. Well, Miss Tanya's gonna take a nice picture of that.
I ate too many
Action
rice.
shot.